Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Apple ID account using an Android phone. Even though Apple ID is mainly for iPhone users, you can still sign in and manage your account on Android using a browser or some Apple apps. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser. Navigate to your search engine and here on the search bar, type appleid.apple.com. Scroll down and here tap sign in. Here enter your Apple ID email and tap continue. Now enter your password. If you cannot remember your password, tap forgotten your password to retrieve it via email. Once done, tap sign in and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. After that, you can actually view account details, manage security settings, change password and check devices linked to your Apple ID. For logging into your iCloud mail on Android. If you want to access iCloud email, open your browser and you need to visit iCloud.com. And here, sign in with your Apple ID. From here, you can use iCloud Mail, Notes, Reminders, and Find My limited features. Remember, on Android, you cannot use iMessage, FaceTime, iCloud Photos Backup, App Store purchases. These only work on Apple devices. You can manage your account, but some Apple features are limited. And that's how you can log into your Apple ID account on an Android phone. If this video helped you, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.